Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the video. Today we're back on old Blue here. We're going to take and kind of clean up the engine bay. It's not too bad in here, but there's a bunch of oily residue around and everything from getting the engine all put together and working in here. And truthfully, I haven't washed under the hood since I put it together. And the engine, I don't think I washed it before I put it in here. So things are kind of dirty. So I've got some good old grease lightning here. And we're going to give this stuff a try and see if it'll cut the light amount of grease that is inside of the engine compartment here. That's right, guys. Look at everything off so we can keep this thing full of juice. We have to lift it up with oily residue in it. Alright guys, so here we are after the washing, and man, it's a whole lot cleaner than what it was before. Yeah, all that oil residue is gone there. Everything is pretty clean in here. Yeah, that's much better. So great.